Does the bunny get that chair, Harper? Do you have a dolly in each chair? Let's see. We have this dolly in this chair. Bunny gets this chair. Bunny, yeah. Let's see, with this dolly in this chair. And this dolly in this chair. Who's going to sit in that chair, Harper? Are you going to sit there? No. Birdie's going to sit in the other chair?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Stella. Good job. Mama bumped the letter. It's okay. It's okay. Now what? You getting ready to feed them? Oh.
No.
No? Okay. Are they going to have tea? Oh, you do already have one in your seat, don't you? I didn't know that. Who's in that seat? Is it Bunny? Yeah. Well, where's the bear going to sit then? Is he going to share a chair?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Who's going bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hi, Stella. Hi. 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 Yeah. Hi, sweetie. Can the bear share a chair with Dolly?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, they can sit together. Do you need to move Dolly over a little bit? No, not with that Dolly.
Yes.
Where's Bear gonna sit? With that Dolly?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Oh, that Dolly's gonna sit there too. All three of them in that chair. Wow. Bunny sits there, huh? Did you run out of Cheerios, Stella? Do you want more? Do you want more? Yeah? More? Alright. She doesn't want more? Stella. More Cheerios for Stella? Okay. Stella say, that's right, mama. Stella, would you like more Cheerios?
Mama.
Mama, mama. Mama, mama. Mama, mama. Okay, let's say bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Good job. Yeah. Bye-bye.